Hello, it's Jamie Games here once again, and in this video we're going to fix few bugs. So, for example, we can see that the buildings there at the background are not covering the whole background. So, how we can fix that is we can go to the level, we can select our PP paste style, and we can set our PP paste styles X location to something negative, so minus 500 or something like that. So it goes to there. So now you can see it fills the whole screen. Okay, the next thing that we want to fix is the player floating. So let's fix that. Let's go to the PP third person character. Let's go to the viewport. Let's select our mesh. And let's set our set location to minus 93. Now when we save, we go to third person map, we play, we can see our player is pretty much on the ground. I think it's actually perfect. Okay, so the next thing is, as you can see, I have this another character selected here, but this glitch will happen with any other character, at least for me, than the normal default. So if I select some other character and I play, and when I die, I should ragdoll, but it doesn't happen. At least for me, it only happens with the default character. So let's see when we get there. Let's actually just collect these coins just for fun. And now, yeah, you can see we don't ragdoll. So how can we fix that? Is we want to go to our folder where our character meshes are. I don't know if it's mesh, is it like meshes in plural? I don't know. Okay, let's continue. So let's go to the models and pre-made characters. If you have some other characters added, you want to go to those. But now you can see here, it says on yellow there, physics asset none. Physics asset. Actually, this one has physics asset. This doesn't, and this doesn't. So how can we fix that? We can select all of these. We can right click and we can go to asset actions and to the bulk edit via property matrix. Here we can edit all these at the same time, like when we click. Actually, we don't have to even select them. Sorry about that. Let's scroll down, and here physics asset. Let's select our one that says path game and the physics asset path that your you want to select the physics asset that comes with your characters. So for me, I will select this one because this is from the same pack. But if you have some other characters, you want to select them individually, and from here you want to change the physics asset to the one that you that your character uses. Like I know that this used that one because when I go to here, I go to the models. Actually, not to the models, to the mannequin characters mesh, and here, yeah, SKey mannequin physics asset. This is the one that I want to use with this. But if you have some other characters, you want to use the one that comes with that pack. Okay. And what else did we have here? Oh, the one barrier doesn't have shadows. So if I go to the blueprints, environment, not to the environment, to the models, obstacles, I mean, this barrier doesn't have shadow actually. it does have a shadow. I didn't just notice it before. But if you have the problem that some of these doesn't have shadows, how you can fix that is you want to open the one that doesn't have. And you want to select the barrier mesh. From here, cast shadows. You want to check this. When it's true, it should work. So let's compile, save. Let's actually delete all these from the level. So yeah, I think we have actually fixed all the things that we had to fix. So yeah, I think that was all for this video. If you like what you saw, please click the like button and subscribe for more. And yeah, hope you have a great day and see you in the next one. Bye.